What's up, YouTube? What's up, day traders? I just want to do an update. I ain't been posting, and it's because shit, I failed everything. I failed the two. I failed the one I was close to dang near passing. So then I failed the other one. Then I messed around and reset another one, and I failed that one. Like I just gambled that one away. But I actually haven't been trading shit the last past week, and I ain't finna be trading probably for like probably until one of these reset. I think one reset on the 13th, and the other reset on like the 21st or something like that. So yeah, I ain't finna be trading because I feel like I just need because I got my strategy, and it's like I've been trying. It's like ever since I first started, it's the same strategy, basically supply and demand. It's the same, and I got my candle setups or what I look for. Like it's the same thing all the way from the start, damn near. Like the same thing I've been trying to figure out. It's the same thing. Like I could say I probably try to add to it and try to do this and do that, but it's still the same thing. So it's like it ain't like I've been switching strategies or nothing. It's like it's the same thing, and I just needed to step away. And it's like it's the first time I ever felt like this to where like I don't want to trade. Like this the first time I actually felt like I don't want to take a trade because I feel like I just want to step back and I guess get some mental clarity and and just work on my approach. That's all I want to do. Like I'm back testing and stuff like that, and everything. And it's like I just want to work on my approach, and like not necessarily being like with my strategy not necessarily being that specific furthest area, but just a specific type setup. Like my specific setup, according to the 14 EMA and the reaction. Cause what I got on there, I got trend, EMA, and then the setup. So yeah, I got trend, EMA, setup. So it's really most like the trend for sure, but it's really the 14 EMA and my setup. Like I want to see what it's doing. Want to watch what it's doing as my setup is showing up. You know, I want to go with the trend, but that ain't always the case. You know what I'm saying? Because it could be in the uptrend, and then it then reversed, and then what I'm saying, consolidating to a continuation of that reversal. So it's like it's not necessarily the trend, but I want to keep the trend in mind for sure. But it's more the EMA on the 5 minute chart. That's what it is. The 14 EMA on the 5 minute chart, and then my setup and seeing exactly what it's doing. And another thing is my time. My time for me to look for a trade should start around 9 o'clock. Nowhere before 9 o'clock. But after 9 o'clock, then I look for my setup according to the EMA. my setup according to the EMA from 9 o'clock to 12 o'clock. That's what it is. So it's like I just want to step back and work on my approach, and I feel like it's gonna be a good thing. So yeah, yep, that's what it is. I want to step back and work on my approach to the market, and just want to get it a certain type of way, and just be a certain type of way. Like, shit, wait till 9 o'clock, after the market open and stuff. Shit, wait for my setup anywhere between that after 9 o'clock. See it, mark up everything, see what price is doing, and take the trade. And it should be one to ones for sure. One to ones. And then another thing I'm thinking about is like, shoot, thinking about risking. I think I'm gonna start off with 250, risking $250, because I don't wanna. I was thinking about risking $500, 5, 10, 15, 3 trades I could pass. But I don't want to wipe it out so fast. If I was to lose, I don't want to wipe it out so fast. So 250, I feel like that's good. So risking 250, that's like what? I think it says 6 trades. 250 times 6. Yeah, 6 trades. They give me 6 trades. And shoot, just look at it like it ain't no rush or nothing like that. And 250 is significant. I got to be happy with that if I was, able to get it. Because if I lose 250, it's like, okay, I still got some chances, got 5 chances. So risking 250. 250 EMA, my setup, and just go like that. My time, 9 o'clock to 12 o'clock, anywhere between there, my setup. I win, call it a day, it's fine. Even if I lose, see, that's something I got a problem with losing, So if I lose, should I call it a day? Just that one setup? Or try again? I feel like it wouldn't hurt of course it wouldn't hurt. If I lose the setup, just call it a day. It wouldn't hurt. It ain't the end of the world. And yeah, it was a setup. Just wait for the next day for another setup. Just take one and just be cool with that. So yeah. So that's where I'm at with it. So looking at the calendar. So today is the 31st. And the 13th. So that's still a whole 2 weeks. And I'm not finna be trading. But I'll be back testing. I'm gonna be, forward testing. As the time go. But, it's what I gotta do. It's my first time taking a mental break like this and stepping back. And just looking over everything and just taking a step back real quick. I feel like I need it. But we definitely gonna be back recording on the 13th. If I don't be on, no, not the 13th, because it's gonna be a Saturday, so it's gonna be the 15th. So I'll be back I'll be back recording my trades on the 15th. That's 2 weeks. So, like, that's good. That's good. That's good. So yeah, NASDAQ Soldier. Be back on the 15th. Let's see. Just need that mental. Just need this mental break. But yeah, I'm out.